If you're looking at Hostinger VPS hosting right now, there are actually a few things most people get wrong before signing up, especially when it comes to choosing the right VPS plan, picking the best billing term, and making sure they don't overpay. In this video, I'll show you how to get the best Hostinger VPS coupon code deal available right now, but more importantly, I'll help you choose the right VPS setup for what you actually need. Right now, Hostinger is offering up to 70% off VPS hosting, an extra exclusive 10% off coupon code, a free domain name on annual plans, and lower pricing than what's shown publicly on the standard pricing page. But there's something important most people miss. The cheapest VPS plan is not always the best value, and sometimes people massively overpay for resources they don't even need. So in this video, I'll break down which Hostinger VPS plan makes the most sense, who should avoid certain plans, how to get the lowest price possible, which term gives the best savings, and how to properly apply the Hostinger VPS coupon code during checkout. Let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is click the Hostinger VPS discount link below in the description. I've also included the exclusive coupon code next to the link. Quick disclosure, that link is an affiliate link, meaning I earn a commission at no extra cost to you if you decide to sign up. You still get the best pricing available. Once you land on the Hostinger VPS page, you'll see several VPS plans available. Now, before you just pick the cheapest one, here's what you should know. The KVM1 plan is usually the best starting point for beginners. If you're learning VPS hosting, running a smaller website, testing applications, using lightweight software, or moving up from shared hosting. This plan is honestly enough for many people. With the coupon code applied, pricing can be as low as $584 per month. A lot of people assume they need a massive VPS immediately, but for many projects, KVM1 handles things perfectly fine. KVM2 plan, this is where many users will probably get the best balance. If you're hosting multiple websites, running WordPress with higher traffic, managing client projects, using Docker containers, or running more demanding applications, KVM2 gives you noticeably more flexibility and performance. With the discount applied, pricing can be as low as $809 per month. For most users wanting strong performance without overspending, this is probably the sweet spot. KVM4 plan, now if you're serious about scaling, this is where VPS hosting starts feeling significantly more powerful. The KVM4 plan is ideal for growing businesses, agencies, e-commerce websites, heavier workloads, resource-intensive applications, or users expecting higher traffic. With the coupon code, pricing can be as low as $1169 per month. If your project is already growing quickly, this plan gives you more breathing room long term. And then there's the KVM8 plan. This is designed more for advanced users who need serious resources. If you're running large applications, higher traffic websites, heavy databases, development environments, or multiple demanding projects, this is a premium VPS option. With discounts applied, pricing can be as low as $2339 per month. Now let's talk about where the real savings happen. If your goal is getting the absolute lowest monthly price, the 24-month term is where you usually unlock the biggest discount. That's also important because the coupon code typically does not apply to monthly plans, and the free domain name is only included with annual terms. So if you want the best overall value, longer terms are usually the better deal. Another reason many people choose Hostinger VPS hosting is because you get full root access, dedicated resources, NVMe SSD Storage, fast deployment, global server locations, scalable VPS plans, and a management dashboard that's much easier to use compared to some competitors. And one thing I personally like is that you can start smaller and scale later instead of massively overspending up front. So here's the quick recommendation. If you're brand new to VPS hosting, start with KVM1. If you want the best value overall, KVM2 is probably the smartest choice. If you're running serious projects or client sites, look at KVM4. And if you need maximum power and scalability, KVM8 is the premium option. If you want the best Hostinger VPS coupon code deal available right now, use the discount link below in the description and apply the exclusive coupon code during checkout to stack the savings. That way you could unlock the regular VPS discount plus the extra 10% off for the lowest pricing available. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.